Right now, we're seeing a noteworthy spike in commodities sentiment, clocking in at plus 0.21, with momentum rising sharply to plus 0.28. This is a significant deviation from the historical baseline, indicating a surge in positive sentiment that hasn't been this pronounced in weeks. Our API provides you with a comprehensive sentiment analysis, returning not just scores, but also insights across 11 semantic clusters, helping you understand the underlying narratives driving this momentum. Imagine leveraging this data to optimize your portfolio allocations or adjust your risk management strategies based on shifting sentiments. With this level of insight, you can make informed decisions that align with current market dynamics. For more details, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Dive into the data and see how you can harness sentiment to enhance your strategies.